In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google reviews to your Squarespace site. If you want to showcase customer feedback and enhance your website's credibility, this tutorial is for you. It's easy to follow, and by the end, you'll have your Google reviews featured prominently on your Squarespace page. Let's dive right in. First, we need to head over to Common Ninja, a fantastic platform that offers a variety of widgets for websites. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Common Ninja website. Once you're there, look for the Widgets Plus option and give it a click. This will take you to a comprehensive collection of widgets you can use on different platforms. Next, in the search bar, type in Google Review and hit Enter. This will filter the available widgets to show only the ones that are relevant to Google Reviews. Once you see the Google Reviews widget appear, click on it. This will lead you to a detailed page about the widget, where you can learn more about its features and how it works. Once you've got an idea of what it offers, you should now click on Create Google Reviews. This step will bring you to the widget's customization and creation interface. Take a moment to make adjustments if necessary, but when you're ready, click on Publish. This action will make the widget live and ready to be linked to your Squarespace site. Now, save your progress by clicking on Save Widget. You will then be prompted to select a folder. This organizational step ensures that your widget is easily accessible for future reference or modifications. Choose your preferred folder, and then click on Save Changes to hold these updates. With the widget now ready to go, the next thing you need to do is click on the Copy Code button. This will give you the code snippet that you'll need to integrate the Google Reviews widget into your Squarespace site. Transitioning over to Squarespace, dive into your website editor. Once there, navigate to the section where you want to add the Google Reviews. Spot the Add Block option and click on it. Face a variety of choices. Here, click on Embed, which allows you to introduce custom elements like the one you've just created. After clicking on Embed, select Edit. This will guide you to a dialog box where you'll integrate the code snippet. Choose Code Snippet to help streamline the process, then click on Embed Data. In the field that appears, paste your copied code from Common Ninja. Finally, ensure everything is set to your liking visually and functionally. Once satisfied, click on Save to finalize the addition of your Google Reviews widget to your Squarespace page. And there you have it. Your Google Reviews should now be live on your site, adding an authentic touch of customer interaction right where your visitors can see it. Your efforts elevate your website's authenticity and engage potential customers by showcasing real experiences.